Hi friends, welcome to another video here on the channel. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jeannie. This is a beauty channel. We do a lot of BoxyCharm and Ipsy, makeup hauls, makeup and skincare reviews, PR reviews, lots of different beauty content, lots of giveaways. Any giveaways that are currently going on will be listed in the description box below. And we have a whole different atmosphere going on. I actually just filmed a BoxyCharm video. I think that will probably go live first, but just in case you're new here on the channel, this is not typically what my videos look like. But very recently we had a small house fire. I was switching a load of laundry and my toddler turned the stove on, and there was some things on the stove that caught fire and did some damage in the kitchen. Thankfully everyone was okay, but my house, the kitchen is being renovated right now, and so the insurance company has us put up in a hotel room. So that is why my video is looking like this, but this is what we're working with right now, and this is what it is. So for today's video, I am so excited. We're gonna unbag my Ipsy Glam Bag. Tomorrow, my Glam Bag X will be here. I am so excited to come on and show you guys what I got. I actually got some really nice add-ons coming with that one. So I don't have any add-ons with this one. This month they're with the Glam Bag X. So the Glam Bag X is a quarterly upgraded Ipsy bag, but it's actually a box. But for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, we do get cute little bags. I am loving the vibe for May. Like, I love everything about this bag. I love the colors. I love the curvature of it. This might be my favorite Glam Bag up to date. Like, I think that is adorable. Like, it's like beautiful, like mature. I don't know. I love it. I love the bag this month. So now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, this is a beauty subscription, and this bag costs $13 a month, and you get 5 products. You can customize one of them. They're typically deluxe size samples, so it's allowing you to kind of dip your toe into a product before you decide if you want to buy the full size of it, which is cool. The reason that I hold on to this bag, because I do get the bag where you get the full size products as well, and also the quarterly upgraded bag. But I like the little minis for travel, for throwing in your purse, that kind of thing. We do a lot of camping in my family in the summertime, so being able to throw the little minis of skincare, face washes, whatever it is, the little eyeshadow quads that they give, it's just nice to be able to have like the little small ones for travel, so I love that. But you do get some full-size products in here as well. So the first product that I got is from MOTD, and it is the Killer Pair of Classic Slanted Tweezers. So it's funny because it said that it was a deluxe size sample, but I'm thinking to myself, how are tweezers? How can you get a deluxe size sample of tweezers? Those are not deluxe size sample, they're a full size tweezer. I don't know, guys. I thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, so we got a pair of tweezers, and I can always use tweezers. I have tweezers, of course, but I can always use a nice new pair. Those actually do look really nice. Let me see if I can get the glare off and show you the slant there. And they're cute and kind of like a muted pink. So we've got some tweezers. I love the brushes from this brand, so I'm excited to try the tweezers. From, now I do believe that's called Tanis. Let me see if I can get the name to show up there. Well, it's in gold, so you're probably not going to be able to see it, but it's Tanis. And the only thing that I've tried from this brand are different liners. I know I have one in green. I want to say it's like Bangle green, and it's a felt tip liquid liner that I actually really love. So this is a gel liner, and it's in the shade Lotus Lake, and I at first thought that was a lip liner for the color, but no, that is an eyeliner. I had to re-look it up on my app, but you guys, it goes on so smooth. Like, look at that. I barely pressed it to my skin, and it's really pretty. I don't know. I might end up using this as a lip liner, because I don't know that I would use. It's almost like a dusty rose color, and I don't know that I would use that for an eyeliner. Maybe if I was getting real crazy on a Saturday night in the waterline or something, but I don't know, you guys. So we'll see. But nevertheless, this will get used. If it gets used as a lip liner, whatever, but at least it's getting used. So I actually really like the formula on that. It just goes on so smoothly. So, and also that is a full-size product. Oh my goodness, I think I'm missing the other one. Hold on. Okay, so this was my choice item for the month, and I thought it was so cool that for the regular glam bag, we had a Tarte lip mask. This is the Tarte Awake Lip Mask. It is a deluxe size sample, but for a lip mask and how much you actually use, you know, that's not a bad size. It is little, you know, like itty bitty. Let me show you in comparison to my hand. So it's small, but you only use a little bit for a lip mask. So you'll get quite a few uses out of that. It smells so good. It smells like fresh cake. And I have really been loving lip masks lately. I've always loved lip masks, but I have been using them a lot more lately for some reason. So I was really excited to be able to get that in there. And then from Dido Beauty, we have a shadow single. This is from the Venus palette. And it says it is a limited edition. And the color is, woo, am I going to be able to read that? I don't know that I can see that, guys. My eyes are tired. It's been a long day. But it's funny because when I first opened it, I thought that that was like shadow broken on the side. It's just the packaging. But it is a really pretty cool toned purple. And I will definitely use that. It's like a grayish, cool toned purple. It swatches really nicely. And then the last product, you guys, I had a bunch of stuff dumped on my bed. I must have accidentally thrown it in my purse. Oh, I can't believe this. Let me just see if I can find it real quick. I can't believe I did that, but it was a little mini H2. Oh my God, I see it. Hold on. It's on my counter. Let me just grab it. Okay, I got it. So the last product is this. It is from H2O, and it is their Hydrating Oasis Moisturizing Gel Cream. I have actually gotten this exact little mini out of Ipsy before. I did use it, and I thought it was okay. It wasn't my all-time favorite skincare product. It wasn't life-changing for me, but it was nice, and I'll definitely use this one as well. And this is what I mean about having little minis to throw into your purse, keep in your camper if you're a camping family or whatever. Perfect for me. Oh man, my phone is dying. This is not going well. So let me just wrap this up because my phone just told me it was gonna die. But anyhow, so yeah, we got a little gel cleanser like that. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Definitely keep your eye out for upcoming videos because I have a huge giveaway planned. It is coming very soon, and I can't wait to open it and show you all the goodies that are up for grabs. Keep your eye out for that. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.